What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lindsay. Welcome to Little Big Improvements, your go-to for easy DIY organization and crafts. Today, I'm going to show you how to seal your grout so that it not only lasts longer, but becomes easier to clean. The star of the show today is this Miracle Sealants Company grout sealer. And what this stuff does is it prevents moisture from getting through the grout and beneath the tiles. It protects against mold and mildew. It slows down wear and tear, prevents stains, and keeps your grout looking fresh. Before applying your grout sealer, make sure that the tile is free of any dirt or debris or hair. And if you freshly cleaned your grout, I would suggest waiting at least 24 hours before applying your grout sealer. The packaging of this grout sealer is nice because it is a brush tip applicator, so it's super easy just to apply light pressure onto the grout, squeeze the bottle slightly, and run the lines just to get a nice bead. The sealant can take some time to dry, so I'd recommend staying off the tile for as long as possible. Also, if you get any of the sealant on the actual tile, just go ahead and wipe it off with a dry cloth. There you have it, guys. It's super easy to seal your grout. I want to say thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Also, drop us a comment down below. Let us know what you thought of today's video, or maybe leave us some suggestions on what you want us to cover next, or maybe you have some questions on how to seal your grout. Let us know. Until next time, bye guys.